Welcome back, it's Math Monday, so we're back with another video. This will be a longer video, so I'll divide it into two. You'll see the second half next Monday. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so today we'll cover polynomials and algebraic fractions. So to begin, we'll do some overview. So a polynomial is a single term, or the sum or difference of two or more unlike terms. Since polynomials represent real numbers, they can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided using the laws of arithmetic. When a letter appears in the denominator of a fraction, you may assume that it cannot represent a number that makes the denominator of the fraction equal to 0, because that would be undefined. Classifying polynomials. So a polynomial with one term, as in 2x squared, is called a monomial. A polynomial with two unlike terms, as in 2x plus 3y, is called a binomial. And a polynomial with three unlike terms, as in x squared plus 3x minus 5, is called a trinomial. Alright, now we're going to try some problems with the operations of polynomials. Alright, so we'll start with adding polynomials. Okay, when adding polynomials, write one polynomial on top of the other so that the like terms are aligned. So for this first problem, you would first put 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. And then below it, you'd put plus, and you'd put x squared plus 5x minus 9. And all you do now is add. So 2x plus x squared is 3x squared. Negative 3x plus 5x is 2x. And 7 minus 9 is negative 2. And that is your answer. It's just that simple. Alright, next, when subtracting polynomials, take the opposite of each term of the polynomial that is being subtracted, then add the two polynomials. So here we'd have 7x minus 3y minus 9z. And so we'll add that to the opposite, so it would be negative 5x minus y plus 4z. Alright, so here 7 minus 5x is 2x minus 4y minus 5z. Alright, we'll move on. When dividing monomials, divide their numerical coefficients and divide like variable factors by subtracting their exponents. So here we can simplify. So 14 divided by 7 is 2. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So when you divide and you have exponents, you subtract. So 5 minus 2 is 3. And with y, there's y squared in the numerator and y squared in the denominator, so those cancel out. Alright, let's move on. So when multiplying monomials, multiply their numeral coefficients and multiply like variable factors by adding their exponents. Okay, so first you multiply negative 2 and 4 and you get negative 8. Then you have a, and as it said, you add their exponents after you multiply. So it's a, then add them. 2 plus 3 is 5. Alright, and then the next one is b. You add them. b has only 1, and then b squared is 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3. And that is your answer. Alright, when dividing a polynomial by a monomial, divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial and add the resulting quotients. So what that means is you do, give me 1 second, let me get my pen again. Okay, so you do 6x over 3 plus 15 over 3. That's the same thing as doing 6x plus 15 over 3. And so now you can do 2x, because 6 divided by 3 is 2, plus 5, because 15 over 3 is 5, and that's your answer. Alright, the last one for today. When multiplying a polynomial by a monomial, multiply each term of the polynomial by the monomial and add the resulting products. So it's basically the distributive property. So first you do 5x and 3x, that would give you 15x squared. Then next you do 5x and negative y, that gives you minus 5xy. And lastly you do 5x and 2, that gives you 10x. Alright, so I did this, then I did this, then I did this, and that is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Next week we'll continue. So if you had any questions on what we covered today, please leave it down in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks for joining us and have a great day.